How to set password on Google Chrome browser. You can make your Google Chrome browser password protected in window. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser. Okay, so if you want to make your browser protected or password protected, so there is a one extension you can use. So I will show you how you can do this. So just click on this three dot, just open your first Chrome browser, just click on this three dot option, which is your right side upper corner, and now go to the settings. Now just scroll down and at your left side option, and just come very bottom and click on extension. Now just click on this option, side option, and go to the open the Chrome web store. Okay, so here now click on extension tab and search Chrome lock and just hit the enter. So this extension will be open, and just open it, which is set password for your browser, and already 1 lakh user using this. Now just click on add to Chrome, just then the pop-up will be open. Now just click again add to extension, then extension will be add to your browser. So you can see this puzzle icon, just click on it and this pop-up will be open. Now you have to set the password. I just set the password here. Whatever you want, you can enter the password and just click on OK, then OK. So if I relaunch again, you need to close the Chrome browser. It will be Chrome automatically. It will be closed automatically. Now I will open the open again. So you guys see, I can when I reopen my Chrome browser, then this pop-up will be come up, and now I have to enter my password. So now you can see it is now enabled. If you want to disable it, just go to the setting again, go to the extension, and here you can see you have to find this extension. So this is extension which I used. You can temporarily off this, so it will be not ask again password. And if you want to permanently delete it, you have to just enter the remove, and you have to remove the extension. So that is how you can set the password on your Chrome browser. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.